How to make your Snapchat chats disappear immediately. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Snapchat chats disappear immediately. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you're on your Snapchat, go over to the chat where you want to make your chats disappear immediately. I'll go over to this chat. If I type anything here, it's going to stay here for a long time. And if you just tap on the chat, it's going to be saved. So it's going to be there forever. But if you want to delete your chats immediately, go over to the profile. And then from there, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then go to chat settings. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on chat and notification settings. Once you tap on it, you can tap on delete chats. So currently it's selected to 7 days after viewing, but if you tap on it, you can change it to 24 hours after viewing or 7 days and never. And if you select after viewing, the chat will be deleted immediately after after they have viewed your chat immediately. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.